Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure you're signed into the Apple ID on this iPad. Open Settings and tap your name. Once signed in, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active and battery is sufficient. Next, locate the gift card code or the physical QR code so you can redeem immediately. This prevents interruptions. You do this now because redeeming requires a live session tied to your account, so verify details and keep the code visible before moving to the App Store. You then open the App Store and tap your profile icon at the top right. This is where redeeming lives. Tap Redeem Gift Card or Code and choose Camera to scan or enter code to type it manually. When scanning, align the QR in the frame. When typing, include hyphens if shown. Once accepted, you'll see a confirmation showing the added balance. Make sure it matches the card amount so purchases will draw from this balance. Finally, confirm the Apple ID balance by tapping your profile again so you know funds are available for purchases. If the card was issued in a different country, make sure your Apple ID region matches. Gift cards are region locked and won't redeem otherwise. If you encounter an error, first recheck the code for typos and ensure a stable network. Sign out and back in if necessary. If problems persist, contact Apple support with the card photo and receipt for quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.